All right, Larry. My name is Brandon, and I am from Sublime SEO Pro. Alexis went ahead and told me to send you this video. She is very sweet, good representation of your company. And in this video, I am going to give you 3 tips and tricks so that you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in HVAC companies in Parker, here is your Google ad section, Google Map Pack right here, and then here are your organic searches. So we're not going to count Yelp, we're not going to count Angie's List, but your first competitor here, top competitor, is Parker Heating and Air. So what I'm going to do in this video is compare their website versus your website and why theirs is ranking higher than yours. Here's your website. As you know, here's their website. Okay? So you're probably wondering why I'm making this video in the first place. And honestly, it's pretty simple. A lot of small business owners just are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't know where to start half the time when it comes with this stuff. And a lot of companies out there are not great marketers, which you may or may not know already. And I'm trying to separate myself from the crowd by just giving out some free information that you can either take and run with yourself if you please, or if you have questions about it, you can feel free to reach back out to me, and I'm happy to help in any way that I can. Okay, it's totally up to you what you want to do with this information. But my one goal is that you get some value out of this, and hopefully you can make some money off of this. Okay. If you need help, let me know. I am happy to partner up with you in any way that I can. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today. Number 1, content. Number 2, backlinks. And number 3, citations. So when it comes to ranking a website on Google, they care mostly about content. So we say content is king. The average site on Google has about 1,500 words on their front page. So that would be a good starting point for you, is to get yourself at least 1,500 words on this website right here. Not even the website, just the front page. But more importantly, we need to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that are commonly typed into Google that people search for when they're trying to buy a product or service that you provide. For example, air conditioning repair in Denver. That is a keyword. Okay? But if you just type in air conditioner near me, if that is on your website, that's not going to really help anybody get to you. So the goal is to not have this be a digital business card, but rather something that generates leads for you. Okay? So when we look at keywords, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And here's your domain right here. It looks like you have a really good start. You're at 725 keywords. And here's your top competitor, Parker Heating and Air. He's listed number 1 on Google. They have 516 keywords. So you have 725. They have 516, which is great. You have more keywords than them. But notice their traffic, 679 people per month, versus your traffic, 473 people per month, which is probably low. Usually this number under reports, it can be anywhere from 3 to 10 times this amount. Even though you have more keywords, they're gaining more traffic to their website than you for whatever reason. So the reason that could be is because maybe some of your keywords are not buyer intent keywords. So all of these right here, these are not buyer intent keywords. Because if somebody searches this, that doesn't mean they're trying to buy it from you in Denver, right? Denver HVAC is a little bit closer. Denver air conditioning, that could mean anything. That could be somebody searching for a job. That could be somebody, searching for parts. This one is a little better, Denver HVAC services. So you see what I mean? There's a lot of stuff in here that has search volume, 30 searches per month, but they're not buyer intent. So if we compare your keywords to this guy's keywords, HVAC Parker, plumbing Parker, Colorado, Parker, Colorado plumbers, AC repair Parker, Colorado. See, as you can see, their keywords have more intent behind them. So that could be a reason why they're getting more searches. So I would start there, get more words on your homepage, 1,500 to 2,000, and place more organic buyer intent keywords within them, okay? The second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So a backlink is a link on somebody else's website or blog that links back to you. So you currently have 300 backlinks, and your top competitor has 1,000 backlinks. So they have 1,000 backlinks from 119 different websites, and you have 300 backlinks coming from 107 websites. So they have about 700 more backlinks than you. So what I would recommend is, they've already done the hard work for you, right? You can go into their backlinks and figure out which ones they have and go in there and log into this, 40 best HVAC websites on the web. Log in there, create a link, and link it back to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Google wants to see trustworthy, relevant websites that link to you. So you need to do it within your industry, not, for example, linking to Pizza Hut or something, because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. Okay, so that's the second thing that I would do. And then the third thing that I would do is try to get yourself in this Google Map Pack. And the way you do that is by as many citations as possible. So you can see they're first here, Parker Heating and Air, and they're also first below Angie's List and Yelp on the organic site. So to beat them here, you need to find out how many directories they are listed in, list yourself in all the same ones, and list yourself in 50 to 100 more than they are in, okay? So by using those 3 tips, you can rank higher in Google and get yourself to this front page. It's not gonna happen overnight. It takes some time, but if you utilize these tips and start getting to work on this, you can get yourself there. If you have questions or would like some help with this, please feel free to give me a call back or an email back, and I would be happy to go over your goals with you and see if there's a way that we can partner up on this. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your time.